Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to sign up new account on Netflix. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Netflix app. And after opening our Netflix app, you will see this started button right here on the bottom. So just click get started. And then after that, this will up and just put your email right here. So I will put my email here and then click started. And after that, you will be asked to put your password. So I will put my own password right here. And after that, you can choose this option right here, which says please do not email me Netflix special offers. And after that, click create account. And then after that, you will be asked to check your email so that they can verify your Gmail account. So just go to your email, or you can paste this link on your browser. And once you have now checked your email or pasted the link on browser, they will now ask you what kind of subscription you will take. And then after that, you will now be able to browse on the Netflix app. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.